Now we'll see the depth first search algorithm. In this, the data structure used is that is a stack. You can say last in, first out. Last in, first out. So what is happening here? What is happening here? Here again we'll have the DFS output, DSS output, which is nothing but the visited vertices. Vertices. So we'll have the list of all those visited vertices. Okay. So the search will start from the one. Search will start from one. What have I to do with this? When I started my search, I have met this vertex, so I will keep there. Now I have started exploring this one. When I see I have a 4 and 2 adjacent, but I will not go for 2. I will only go for the 4. I will get into that particular node deeper and deeper. I'll take this 4 deeper and deeper. Now I will keep this 1 as a hold, and I'm trying to explore the 4. Okay. Now after exploring, I am seeing that I have visited a 3. I have visited a 3. So keep this 4 on hold. Now after visiting 3, I see that it is explored and I can see I'm getting, so I'll keep this, I'm getting a 10 as a visit. So in the meanwhile, I'm putting this 3 on hold because I may require this 3 later. But after 10, now there is nothing to explore. So I come back to 3. Now who tells me to come back to 3? The pointer here 10 comes asks me to come back to 3. So when I've come back here, I've tried to again explore 3. After exploring, I've come back to the 9. I've come back to see the second adjacency, which is a 9. Okay, that time I was exploring 3, so I'm getting a 9. Now after 9, again I will come back to 3 and explore the 3. Now I will see the adjacencies of 3. What are they? There are 4 and 2, but 4 already is adjusted, so added here, so it is not required. So what is happening is it has to be exploring the 2, is it not? So now 2 is obtained. Now because 3 has been totally explored, here it will not be there in the stack. Now after 2, when I have reached the 2, I will see the adjacencies. I have 1, I have 3, I have many, but I will have one of them I will take as 8. And I have kept this 2 on the hold. I have kept the 2 on hold. Now what is happening now? 2 on hold is there. I have entered 8 vertex. Now 8 is to be explored. Moving from 8, I'll go to 7, visit this deeper and deeper. In the meanwhile, I have kept this 8 as hold. 8 on hold because I don't know, probably many are there to be visited later. So from 8, it is kept as a hold here. Now from 7, I'll go to 5. From 7, I'll go to 5. From 7, I'll go to 5. And I've kept the 7 on hold. And from 5, I can go to 6. I can visit the 6, keeping this 5 on hold. Keeping the 5 on hold. Now I'll come back. Because there is nothing to explore, I come back. So when I'm coming back, I will try to explore this. I'll try to explore this 5. Now I see what are the different adjacencies. to be visited, 2, 7, 8, but all are at the present here. So there is no need of further exploring. So I will remove that 5. After that, I'll come to 7. I've removed this from 5. Now after that, the 7 has to be explored. And see, the 7 has nothing to be explored. So even 7 comes out of this. 8. 8 also is seen to be explored totally. So even that goes off. After that, even the 2 is there. The 2 pointer is the place where I have to explore. Even 2 is totally explored. Even that will remove. And after that, 4 is the place where I have to again search. So after 4, we just see all adjacencies are again explored. So even this is removed. So finally, even 1 has been explored. So when Q is empty, or you can say, I'm very sorry, the stack is empty. Stack is empty. Stop the search. Stop the search. So this is how the depth first search is done. So there is one more, like you can go for some other depth first search as well. Suppose I want to go for uh, some second DFS. There are many alternative searches based on your path that you have selected. Okay, so probably I will not use the same thing here. I will just remove even this one. Suppose I want to start from 4. Forget about this one. So my start DFS2 having will be having my 4. Okay, it will be there. My 4 is there. Okay, now I will be exploring this 4. I get a vertex 3. So when I want to explore this 4, I'll store this 4 for future expansion, for future exploration. Now after 3, I will explore the and visit further. So I come across 10. In the meanwhile, I have kept this as on hold. But after 10, there is nobody. So I'll come back to 3. Who will tell me? This pointer tells me. So I've come again here. So I will just explore 3. Who is the next adjacency? I am seeing that there is a 9. So after that, there is no thing. So in the meanwhile, I have come to 3. So the pointer says that yes, again you explore the 3 because nothing is there further. Now when I'm exploring this 3 means I have reached uh, some 4 or 2, but 4 is explored. So probably I will come to 2. So I have explored this 3 totally. So I will come out of this. Now when I am reached this 2, I have to further explore this. So I will take a path of vertex 8 and holding this here. Probably I will have the future exploration for this 2. Now after 8, I have reached the vertex 7, keeping this as a hold. And after 7, I'll reach the 5, which is again a not visited one. And I have kept this 7 on hold. And after the 5, I have explored this 5 and I've reached the 6. Now 5 I have kept on hold and 6 I see that there is nobody, but I have to mark it as visited. So this is what has been entered. 5 is there, 6 has been marked, and afterwards I come to know that I'll have to come back to 5 where I have to explore. So when I'm exploring, nothing is to be there to be explored on 5. So 5 has been removed. Now again it is asking me to reach the 7 where again everything has been explored. Now I have to even reach this after 7 has was explored. So I will reach 8. It has to be nothing there is to be explored. From 2, I see that there is some 1 here because I did not reach the 1. So I will include this 1 here. So 2 has been totally explored. And now 4 also has been totally explored. So nothing is there. So the queue is empty. So this is the stack is empty. And this is how total exploration in the depth first search has been done. Thank you.